and a very, very good morning to all my dear students. Hope everyone is fine and safe at home, along with all your family members and your friends. Now, today, dear children, in the Around Us textbook, we are going to start a new lesson. That is your day and nights. We are going to start lesson number 10, days and nights and seasons. So, all of you will first write today's date, that is your 24/12/2020. 24/12/2020 and classwork. And now, first of all, days and nights and seasons. That means there are two things that we are going to learn in this lesson: how the days and nights are caused and how the seasons change. So two things we are going to learn in this. First, we will learn about how the days and nights are caused. First, we'll read this, then I'll explain. In this lesson, not only days and nights you will see and seasons, but according to the seasons also, what type of fruits do we eat, what type of clothes do we wear, what type of vegetables are available during those seasons, and why we should eat those fruits and vegetables during that season only. And the clothes, different type of clothes that are worn. Then what is the type of atmosphere in all the different seasons that are there, and how the seasons are caused, which is the very important question, that how do the change in the season and the day and night happens. Now first, read. Friends, every day we see the sun rising and setting, but the time of rising and setting is of the sun is not the same every day. We have prepared various notes on my observation 1 in June, my observation 2 in September, and my observation 3 in December. Now, as you all know, that when sun rises and it is day, and when sun sets, it becomes evening and then night. So, how does it happen? How does the sun rise? And the sun, when it rises, it is not necessary that it always rises at the same time. Even it is summer, winter, or rainy season, whenever the sun rises, it does not rise at the same time every day. So here you can see this observation is given here. In this observation, it has to be written that my observation 1, my observation 2, and my observation 3. Now, in all this, you have to write the rising time and the sunset time. But that means when the sun rises, you have to write that time. My observation 1 was taken on 1st of June. Then second observation was taken in September, and the third observation was taken in the 1st of December on that day. Now, you can see this is approximate dates that I have written. That my rising time is 5:55 a.m. in the 1st of June, and the setting time was 7:20, because June is the summer time, so the sun rises early and sets also late. So the days are longer in the summer as compared to the winter season. विंटर्स में जो होता है सूरज देर से उगता भी है और सूरज जल्दी अस्त भी हो जाता है, तो जो डे टाइम होता है वो शॉर्ट होता है और जो नाइट होती है वो ज़्यादा लंबी होती है. और समर्स में क्या होता है कि डेज आर वेरी लॉन्ग एंड नाइट्स आर शॉर्ट. दिन ज़्यादा लंबा होता है क्योंकि सूरज भी जल्दी उगता है और अस्त भी देर से होता है, इस वजह से डे जो होता है वो ज़्यादा लंबा होता है. नाउ राइजिंग टाइम इन सितंबर इज 6:23 a.m. and setting time is 6:27 p.m. and in December rising time is 7:05 a.m. and the setting time is 5:52. Now you can see, when does the sun rise earliest? It rises earliest at 5:55, that was on 3rd of June. Now same way here, certain details are given here of the sunset and sunrise in observation 1, 2 and 3, which was done on 29th of June, then 29th of September, 31st of December. So same way the setting and rising times are given here. So which was, when did the sun set latest? It set latest in the 29th of June, that is 7:29. So this whole chart is given for that only, so we are not going to do this. अब यहाँ जो है ये हमको जो है सनराइज और सनसेट ये हमको नहीं करना है. fill the colors in the details, this we are not going to do. this also we are not going to do. ये भी जो है डिफरेंस इसमें देखने का है, इसलिए ये हमको नहीं करना है. now is the count and find the solution and write. Now, when the days are long, what type of clothes do we wear? We wear thick cotton clothes because we wear thin cotton clothes because the atmosphere is hot. मतलब समर में हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं, समर सीजन में हम पतले और कॉटन के कपड़े पहनते हैं, क्योंकि उस वक्त सीज़न जो होता है बहुत गर्म होता है, और सीज़न गर्म होने की वजह से हमको ऐसे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए जो लाइट हो और हमको गर्मी से बचाए. जो पसीना, एज यू ऑल नो, वी स्वेट अ लॉट ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन, so that sweat has to be absorbed by the clothes. But before we move on to this topic, I would first like to tell you that there are three main seasons in our country, with that is your summer, winter and rainy season. Now the summer season, you all are aware of the summer season, that it is very very hot in the summer season. The temperature rises quite high, and in certain regions the temperatures are high. In some parts of our country the temperatures does not go that much high, but the place where we live, Gujarat, the temperatures go quite high during the summer season. So it is very hot. So that time we have to wear the clothes which are very light on our body and which absorbs all the sweat, and which we feel comfortable. We don't feel that too much hot in those clothes. That type of clothes we should wear जो हमको cool, which keeps the temperature of our body less and keeps us cool. That type of clothes we wear. That is why you might have seen that the fruits and the vegetables that come in the summer season are also full of water. For example, take the example of watermelon and muskmelon, or the cucumber that we eat. All these other summer fruits, mango is there, then especially mango, watermelon and muskmelon. These are the three fruits that are quite a lot we get during the summer season, because it is very hot and there's a lot of dehydration of in our body. What is the meaning of dehydration? मतलब कि water loss हमारे body में से बहुत ज़्यादा होता है गर्मी में, पसीने की वजह से, sweat की वजह से. तो उस loss को compensate करने के लिए, if we eat the fruits and vegetables like watermelon, muskmelon or mangoes, there is a water retention takes place in our body. That means the water loss that has been there because of the sweat is compensated by the fruits that we eat, because watermelon, nearly 70 to 80% of that fruit contains only water. So that is why we should eat lot of watermelon during the summer season to keep the balance of water in our body. तो वैसे ही क्लोथ्स भी हमको पहनने चाहिए, वैसे ही वेजिटेबल्स भी, जैसे क्यूकम्बर आता है, हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ककड़ी जो है वो ऐसा सोचते हैं कि बिकॉज इट इज़ समर वी शुड eat that. Then bottle gourd is there. Those type of vegetables that we eat, that keeps us cool also, and it contains lot of water, so that water also goes into the body so that we don't feel dehydrated. So this is all about the summer season. Then when you move in the summer season, then you can see the here in the textbook also the picture is given. This is the picture of the summer season. You can see here the picture of the summer season. All the animals also just they find they roam here and there to find out any ponds or small ditches which are filled with water, and they sit and relax in that, and they also keep their bodies cool sitting in that water only. Children also like to play in the water. Then we eat ice creams, and we all love cool things that keeps our body cool only. We love that type of things only. And then there are certain festivals that also come during that summer season only, like Holi, Dhuleti, the very important festival, major festival of our country. So that also comes during the summer season. सो सारे जो सीजन्स आते हैं उसमें हर सीजन में उसका एक फ्रूट्स होते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स ग्रो, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स कम इन दैट सीजन, मेनी डिफरेंट फेस्टिवल्स आर सेलिब्रेटेड इन दैट सीजन. सो एवरीथिंग दैट वी हैव इन द सीजन्स इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीज़न ओनली. इट इज़ देयर कि जो होली आती है वो क्यों बहुत ठंडी के बाद होली आती है, तो ठंड के बाद जो है गर्मी का सीज़न शुरू होता है तभी होली आती है. ऐसे बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स हैं, जैसे बारिश के सीज़न में जन्माष्टमी आती है, रक्षाबंधन आता है. तो सारे त्यौहार भी कुछ ऐसे ऐसे होते हैं जो हर सीज़न में ही उसी सीज़न में वो आते हैं.